After the interview, review your own performance by answering questions such as what went well and what went bad. What do you wished you had said, and then prepare for the next stage. If your interview doesn't result into success, you can request feedback via email which can help you in the next interview. Now, let us take a look at tips you must follow for telephonic interview. Plan as thoroughly as for real interview. Select comfortable, private or a quiet place. Having a copy of CV and company information. Have a pen and paper at hand. Prepare for usual interview question. Practice on phone, that is record answers, try standing, smile and use gestures. Other types of interview are rotating. It is like one-to-one interview but is conducted with different interviewers. Group interview. It is conducted with 6 to 8 candidates. In this, a group is observed while discussing over a topic. In a group interview, you must be aware of the group interaction. Panel interview. In this kind of interview, try to recognize different roles. In panel interview, there are usually 2 to 5 interviewers or may include as many 13. You might also be required to give a presentation. Now, let us study must follow rules for an interview. Dress appropriately for the industry. When in doubt, go conservative. Personal grooming and cleanliness should be spotless. Keep perfume to the least. Arrive at least 10 minutes early. Know the exact time and location of your interview and know how long it takes to get there. Park and find a restroom to freshen up. Treat people you encounter with good manner and respect. Their opinion of you might be solicited during the hiring process. Offer a firm handshake and make eye contact and have a friendly expression when you are greeted by the interviewer. Make sure that you understand your interviewer name and the correct pronunciation. Even when your interviewer gives you a first and last name, address your interviewer by Mr. or Miss and the last time until invited to do otherwise. Maintain the good eye contact during interview. Sit still in your seat. Avoid jiggling. Respond to the question and back up your statement about yourself with specific example whenever possible. Ask for elucidation if you don't understand question and be thorough in your response while being brief in your wording. Use good grammar and good diction. Say yes, not yeah. Don't punctuate sentence with you know like see or okay. Take the interview seriously and show concern in the employer and the opportunity presented and answer to question in a positive manner. Watch the tone and pitch of your voice. While it can be trendy among your friends to upspeak, and this habit will kill your sincerity during the interview. Answer the question and use profession experiences or descriptive information to show how you would react or respond to a situation. Make sure that your answer have a definite flow. In the beginning, state the main points you want to make and in the middle, expand those points or ideas and in the end, reinforce your key points and end on a positive note. Evaluate the interviewer and the organization. An interview is a two-way street. Make sure that you understand the employer next step in the hiring process. Know when and from whom you should anticipate to hear next. You must avoid following points in an interview. Don't make excuses. Take the responsibility of your decision and your action. Don't make unconstructive comments about previous employer or supervisor. Don't take the interview casually if you are shopping around or doing the interview for practice. This is insulting to the interviewer and the organization. Don't give the impression that you are only interested in salary. Don't act as though you would take any job or are desperate for employment. Do not chewing gum or smell like smoke. Don't take cell phone during an interview. If you take a cell phone, turn it off throughout the interview. Now, let us learn how to answer question effectively. Your voice must be clear, related and satisfactory to enable the interviewer to understand what you are trying to say, to conclude your strength for that particular job, and to have sufficient information to make a good decision. Be prepared for behavior asked question. If the interviewer asks you Describe a time when you were faced with troubles or stress at work that tested your coping skills. What did you do? Interviewer can also ask to give an instance of a time when you had to be relatively quick in coming to a decision and an example of an important goal you had to set about your growth in reaching that goal. Interviewer generally asks questions like to give an example of a problem you faced on the job and how you solved it. Other important question that might arise is to describe a situation in the past year in which you had to deal with very upset customer or coworker. Key to respond well to these questions are: be clear, not general or vague. Do not describe how you would behave. Describe how you did behave. If you afterward decided you should have behaved differently, explain this. While receiving the answer to this question, the interviewer will see that you learned something from experience. What to do after interview? Politely express thanks to the interviewer for the chance to interview with the organization. Offer a handshake and show enthusiasm about the career opportunity. Consider the following up with a thank you note or email of gratitude to the interviewer to further show your interest. Do not fear to go out on a limb. That is the place where you will discover the fruit. Thank you.